What up, good peoples? It's your boy, man. Hey, I know it's Saturday night. Ain't nobody gonna watch this video because y'all out doing, something strange for a little piece of change. Anyway, man, every time I trip to get to it, what's the name of them for? Oh, 2X Divvy. I don't know if they either done got DDoS attacked or they on the beach in Tahiti drinking something good out of a pineapple. They done gone. Hey, they be like that in crypto, baby. Ain't no crowd in crypto, man. Like in my last video, y'all seen me. They was up. I was doing withdrawals. I had 3 accounts. I only had 2 Ether in the account. And after I made my other withdrawals, you know what I'm saying? You see what, hey, I'm transparent, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, why? I'm straight, you know what I'm saying? I ain't get it all, but I ain't mad, it is what it is, cause you know what time it is? Rebase! 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 Yeah, baby, Rebase is back, and we're back, as Trip Jam would say. Hey, man, I ain't gonna even show my stack. Cause boy, people don't even be happy for you, man. You think you be trying to, inspire people like, man, you can do it too. Ain't no referral link in that to it. Just get your weight up, baby. You get enough. Man, that rebate's gonna be good tonight. Why? You hear me? Y'all was scared and everybody back on the bandwagon now when Ample was 60 cents. Everybody calling it a scam and this and that and laughing at you. Trayvon talking about see you wrecked and all that. Now everybody back on it. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Y'all so wishy-washy, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even show you my ample stack. I was just waiting for 10 o'clock. You feel me? Well, in the telegram, though, my folk in my telegram, we gets down, boy. Them folk, I got some small people in my telegram, man. But they calling it, but I don't even know, I don't know how this stuff, but I'm making money on it. But whatever UNC is, whatever 10 deals, whatever, but hey, they calling it by way doing the damn thing. Anyway, man, we're gonna get right to it. Rebase is coming up at 10 o'clock, man. Go over some more stuff. I'm gonna go over a lot of stuff, man. Let me see. I'm going some sketchy stuff first. I don't even show you this stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at your net profits. You see your boy. I'm throwing $100. I'm throwing $100 in anything. You know what I'm talking about? I took out 79. I got 26 more to go. They're gonna put me over 100. So everything gonna be straight profit, man. You know what I'm saying? What you want me to say, man? I ain't even show you Goobet. Goobet, I got what 1700 Tron take up out of here to look. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Add to the stack. You know how your boy do, man. I don't even talk about passive Tron. You ain't hear me talking about this. I ain't gonna even scroll down, show you what I got. Everybody looking crazy. I'm on the 5% plan. Folk be looking crazy, man. Golly, man. No, don't even worry about it. You know what I'm saying? Don't even worry about it. Let's see what else I got going on, man. T2X. T2X, man. Oh, it's not 8 o'clock. Hey, let me see. Going up in here, man. Going up in here, man. See what's going on, man. Come on. I got 3,000 to put on up in here. Got some stakes. You can see I got 300K stake, got 70K, got 47K stake, got 9K stake. I got them ending on the 25th, and then about 10 days later, got them going. But I'm gonna be staking up until then. Now, what was the deal pool today? I gotta go to the auction. I don't want to make the video too long. Anyway, let's keep it moving, man. Pound. I don't even talk about pay. Y'all, man, hey, man, what you doing in crypto, man? You gotta be in pound. Like I said, ain't no referral link. You just got to know this stuff. Let me show you. Oh, I'm already on the quit. Let me show you. Let me show you, man. Let me show you. See, that won't worry about this stuff, man. Look at that. 795 pound per month. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you. Let me see. Let me see what that is. Let me see. 795 pound. Man, let's see. What's pound? 197. 179. Let's see. Times 179. $1,400 a month, man. What can you do with it, huh? You can't do nothing with that, huh? Can I interest you in that? As Shannon Sharp tell Skip Baylor. Man, y'all, man, I'm trying to hip y'all to the game. Hey, man, you can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink it, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to be a little bit of everything. A little bit of sketchy, risky. You got to be some solid. You got to be some in between. That's just the way it is, man. I mean, I can keep going. We can go over here. You know what I'm saying? Power bank. But where you want to go? I mean, I don't love it. What you want to do? We on Trust Swap. Y'all know what Trust Swap is. They staking ain't ready yet, so I'm staking over here. 12,500. You know, do the math. You want to do the math? I'll do the math for you. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got. We got 12,500. Let's see. 12,500 time. What it is? 27 today? Perked. 27 cents. Can I interest you in that, man? $3,300. Can you do something with that, man? Huh? Or you too scared? What you want to do? Are you in crypto or are you not? You either gonna be in crypto or you're not, bro. It's just that simple, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody want to crack or something. Everything gonna end, man. Everything. You know what I'm saying? It's either gonna go to zero or it's gonna be gone. That's just the way it go. And the folk, what? People so happy Bitcoin going up. The people that bought at 20,000 might as well been gone. You know what I'm saying? Might as well. That's just the way the game go, man. You know what I'm saying? But Rebase. Hey man, I can't wait till 10 o'clock. It's all it's back on now, Jack. It's back on. But I caught that boy. Oh, I caught them things at 64 cents. Why? Whew. I can't wait for this rebate. I wish I could show it to you, but I ain't gonna do it. Cause y'all don't be happy for you, but man, y'all ain't making nothing. Are you gonna lose it? You ain't too heavy. Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, holler back at your boy, man.